He changed his name to Solomon Simon when he came here. He wrote these books in Yiddish on the theory that reading this would enable secular Judaism to flourish in America.
When they came over on the boat and they had to choose what day their birthday was going to be, my grandfather picked July 4th. Pretty amazing. And my grandmother picked Christmas Day. Amazing, right? They knew how to pick it. They picked the biggest days of the year.
Since you always have a holiday, when you're Jewish, you have a holiday connected with your birthday, and he wanted to be really American, so he chose July 4th.
He loved America. He was really proud to be an American citizen.
Apparently, also, he had this expression. He used to say that to really appreciate America, you had to have been born in Tsarist Russia. And I think that that's also very telling.
And he used to tell us one little story. He said, you know, America and Russia are very different in one respect. And I'd say, well, what was it? I heard this story many times. What was it, Papa? He'd say, well, when it comes to building a railroad, both countries are terribly corrupt. He said the difference is that in Russia, the railroad never gets built, and in the United States, it does. No, he was a realist about the country, but he loved it.
He loved America. He loved it. He couldn't believe the level of freedom he found here when he came. He couldn't believe how Jews could really live in a country that accepted them, where they would be accepted the way they were. It was marvelous for him. He just loved it.
He must have experienced anti-Semitism in Russia, and when he came to this country, the story I heard was that he found himself in the subway, and he needed directions. And I believe he turned to a policeman who was very polite to him and answered him. And I think, you know, it's like a fairy tale. From then on, he loved America.